first. Hi, Kioske Ken. Hi. Ay, ano? Nag-pause yung live. Hi, guys. Oh my God. Ang active ko na, diba? Ang active ko na, guys. Tapos na yung school ko. Stop calling me Lucy. It still makes me so uncomfortable when people call me by my real name. I'm still Mantos. How do you pronounce... Wait lang, let's... Damn, chat. Real. They see right through me. They see right through me. Pwede mo magpatugtog sa Instagram. Bawal po mag-join sa live ko. Gusto ko sa akin lang po kayo nakatingin. Ano real name mo? Ganda. You can call me Ganda, by the way. Thank you. Oh my God. Kailan kayo mag-moving up? Soon. On May pa siya. We have our deliberation date tomorrow. Thank you, Mikay. Even though I look like shit right now. Ito na lang. Saan yan? Ngayon ko ulit nag-live. I think I went live recently. Nung kasama ko friends ko, pero 3 minutes lang yung live. Ikaw ba yung simbahan sa Kalaka? Hindi pa ka simbahan eh. Thank you. Huwag kang mag-sound, baka makapirit ka. Malbet. Hi, Lance. Hi, Lance. Hi, Lance. Hi, guys. Girl, kantahan mo kung asawa ng ulo ko. Lalo sa sakit ulo mo pag kumanta ka. Ay, also, I've been studying the guitar, pero I can't play right now kasi sobrang sakit ng hands ko, yung fingers ko dito. Tapos, malas nga eh, kasi kakakat ko lang ng nails ko. I'm going live kasi my friends don't like talking to me. Sinisin lang nila ako sa GC. Hindi ko sila yung airplane. Skincare reveal. I use ano ba yan? Biotin facial cleanser. I also nagbay ako ng wait lang, may ako sa babo. Nagbay ako ng sunscreen. Yung sa Bella, yung hydrating mist, something like that. Pero hindi siya bagay sa akin. I mean, I get so sweaty, tas sobrang hydrating ng sunscreen. So it doesn't look good on me. Like, I just look extra oily when I do. Sakit. Yan, my rocks. Is this your only first name? Oh my God, guys. Can we act like hindi nyo alam yung real name ko? Thank you, guys. Skincare cut, Tide Barretta. Ayaw. Where are you school, man? Ay, secret lang. Face reveal. Face reveal your face. Guys, tama, nakakalusip. Jim Toshi! Go, Toshi! Bilis! Okay, mga sila. Joke lang. Ano cards na alam mo? Yung friend ko kasi, tinuruan niya ako nung yung sabi fell in love in October. Pero, sinandyan lang sa akin is yung strumming pattern, tas yung itsura ng chord sa guitar. Pero, I'm also studying another song. I don't wanna say the song kasi papasampling niya ako. But yeah. I just recently started. I'm like so excited to grow my nails. Kasi, right now, sobrang insufferable i-play ng guitar. Kasi, sobrang hirap. Like, sobrang sakit. Pwede kita bigyan ng flowers na flowers de Mayo. Sorry. Ayaw ko mag-guitar. Bago mo kagatin yung labis, hindi ko kaya nakagat. also, patapos ko na yung terms and condition. Wait lang, hindi nyo pa nakita yung bookmark. Ito na siya. Ay, hindi pa ang makapal pa pala siya. Parang kalahati pa lang ako. Pero akala ko patapos na siya. Like that. Ito na yung nababasa ko. Tapos ito ba hindi ko pa nababasa. I don't know. How do you guys tell which brand? Buti pa kayo wala napasok? No. Alam niya, I feel kind of sad na tapos na yung school year ko. Kasi I have nothing to do. Feel ko ang luxurious ito mamaya. Good PM watching from the Starry Store. Hello po, people from the Starry Store. I am the Esmentosis. Kung yes, I do curse. I think I already cursed sa TikTok a lot of times. Ano po yung deepest, darkest secret? Yes. Hi, Sam Kyle. Gusto ko i-try ba ito? Effective ba siya? I mean, personally kasi, I don't get pimples a lot. Ano lang talaga, nagkaka-pimples ako dahil sa face mask. So, I can't tell if effective talaga yung cleanser ko. But after like, a very stressful day, I use my cleanser because I feel refreshed na agad. I'm not maputi. I'm using a filter. See? It's already dark here. What the is? Switching school mentos, ikakamatay ko ata to. Hindi yan. Promise. I feel like, you should approach switching schools in a better perspective. Kasi, ako, I went sa iisang school from nursery hanggang high school. And like, I wish I did switch schools some point in time. Pero at the same time, I was scared before. And I wish I wasn't scared kasi if mas better naman yung school na pupuntahan ko, na pag-decision ko, then why not, diba? Anong gagawin mong sport this summer? I play volleyball with my friends. Pero I'm not good. I just play with them. Tapos I chase the ball. Thank you. Hello, Lobster. Hi, Mikay. Pag pronounce sa username ko, not Nick for Y. Nag-accept ko ba followers of flowers for your God? Yeah. Diyan ko yan, guys. Like, I think last year pa ako nag-blabber about that sa Dampo. Like, OMG guys, please get me flowers when I graduate. Pero di pa ako mag-graduate. I'm just moving on. Do you prefer Starbucks or dildo? What's the fuck? I'm gonna block you. It's so easy to block people. How about badminton? Oh, I also play badminton kasi like my friends don't play badminton. So, yeah. Pero I might consider buying badminton kasi my friends doesn't have one. Or feeling ko hindi lang talaga sila mahilig. Hi, Simon. Go Usin na ba next school year? Hala, sabi nga ni ate bukas na daw i-release yung ustat eh. Anong strand ito take mo? I'm gonna take yung sa strand. I can't wait. Honor ako, please congratulate me. Congratulations, Shibang. Congratulations. Good. Proud. Hello, Johan. Tama ba? Johan or Johan? Hala, nalimutan ko na. Pwede pumunta sa graduation mo ang mga fans mo. Yung school ko, they aren't allowing, I think, outsiders. No, hindi. They're only allowing 2 people. Hindi masaya mag-use, maniwala kayo sa akin. Anong course sa college? I'm gonna take Pol-Sci as my pre-law. Hello, Mami. Tapos na school year niyo, 4th grading pa lang kami. Tapos na school year namin. Bakasyon na ka, guys. Guys, can you ask questions? Please. Wala na akong magawa. Tapos, my friends are not making gala. I'm not making gala ng gala. Guys, do you know when i-release yung USTET results? Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna take edo. Kasi, nung release yung bar exam results, na-fill yung yung Twitter ko with, about Law Chuchu. So, I got kind of inspired. Wait lang. What's your gender identity? Secret, baka malaman nyo. BGC tayo after finals namin. BGC is so layo. Wait lang, when is your finals? Kasi I don't think I'm gonna be available on May. Stand lang ko pala masakit. I already answered that question. I'm going for Yums. Sagutin mo, single ko daw. Yeah. Guys, I'm single as fuck. I'm not with anyone. Ano ba sa matulog ka na nga lang? Kikik talaga kita sa life ko. Saan ka magbabakasyon? Punta ka ng probinsya. I don't know. What's your favorite color? I like the color red. Loving him was red. Hello from Kataran, Taduhan. Ang galing mo, nak. Ang galing. Ang witty. Sige, di na kami magdatang. Sige. May 25 pa last day ng finals. Ang tagal pa. Ano plans mo for your vacation? Feeling ko magka-TikTok lang ako sa buong bakasyon.
Diyan pa.
What language do you speak in school is what I mean.
Dila mo na.
What do you mean? June pa tapos ng klase ko. Ang tagal. Guys, please call me Mentos. I'm not your Lucy. Nag-pictorial na kayo sa school. Yeah, we had pictorial last March. Anong magandang name sa aso? Samdi. Anong strand iti-take mo sa senior high school? Guys, that's like the 5th, 10th, 100th time I got that question. I'm going for Yums. That's also in my vlog. Watch my vlog. Why are you not following my YouTube channel? Oh my god, na-expose kayo guys. Caramel? Hindi ko alam kasi nag-try ako mag-taste ng Oreo and I didn't like it. So I'm kind of like nag-stay away ako from trying other Belgian waffle flavors. Hanggang first week of July pa na. Ang tagal naman. I think July is gonna be my pasukan na or August. Ang tagal guys. Wait, depende sa school na I go to. Oops. State ka ba? What countries have you been to? Ano pong name ng YouTube channel mo? Yes. Thank you. Next question. Tuesday, sino bias mo sa Blackpink? I think I used to stand Blackpink before this, bias ko was si Jisoo. Mayroon ako ba mag-bake ng cake? Oh, hindi. Pero nung when we were in 7th grade, I baked a cake with my classmates kasi we had to. Tas sobrang sarap ng cake na binake namin. Kaso, hindi ko na kain yung leftover after grade kasi kinamay siya ng guy classmates ko. Men are so annoying. They see right through me. Namamansin ba ito? Sample na. Hello, Migs. Mans. Goodbye. Do you know how to play instruments? Yeah, I know how to play ukulele. Ba't ka nakahihintay na tapos di pa kasi sa memes? I was replying to group chats. Ano grade ka na? I'm in 10th grade.
Okay.
Mamansin nga idol to. Sim. Gaano kayo kadalas magkita? Hello, do you know Kisha? I meet Kisha every once in a blue moon because I have strict parents. When is your birthday? My birthday is miss ko na friends ko. Pwede pa-download. Ay, pa-upload.
Okay pa. Ganyan lang.
Ito lang? Ito sa higa. Ayan na pa.
Tanong lang, aware ka din ba about sa M times? What's about M times? Sim, go Toshi. Sim. Hi, Ishana. Ishana, tignan mo yung reply ko sa GC. Ishana. Hello, Sal Popski. Cause they see right through me, they see... Grabe, sobrang araw dito, no? Parang nakikita niyo na yung buong pagkatao ko. Ishana. Hello, Papi Chulo. My favorite subject, English, kasi super easy. Tapos, math, if gets ko yung topic. Sali po sa GC. Ano pong GC? Hello, RNZ_MDZ. Ishana, reply mo sa GC, please. Lucy from Fairy Tale. Pero they pronounce Lucy differently, diba? I wanna give you flowers and you're moving up, but I don't know what and where your school is. I don't know if I should tell people my address kasi I really shouldn't. So, I don't think I will. I think my story is for my friends. Nakita ka to sa school pero nahiya ako magpupit with you. Are we in the same school? Are you Taylor Swift song? I'm the Taylor Swift song called Gorgeous. Ayoko na. What is your favorite color? Red. Who is Lucy? Of course, you shouldn't tell people your address na. Okay. Ba't kayo galit sa akin? Sorry, ito lang ako sinabalan kasi ako, diba? Ito lang ako. Sorry, ito lang ako. Steve, my safety above everything. Love you guys. At dahil fave bang math, sagutan mo ang assignment ko. What's your topic sa math? I'm not math. Idol na itatawag sa'yo. Tandaan mo. Sige, Lods. Yup, wag magbigay address. Daming scammer. Steve, pati government natin. Cause they see right. Also, if you follow my Facebook account, who you talking to, huh? What do you mean, huh? You're hugging me now? Guys, if you follow my Facebook account, if you don't follow my Facebook account, you should be ashamed. But if you do follow my Facebook account, I'm joining a pageant. It's like my first time. Ang dilit. Better na ba? Ayoko na insecure ako. I'm joining a pageant, tapos... What was I going to say? Yeah. Like you guys, heart nyo. You can also sponsor my evening gown and natural costume if you want. Just DM me. Crush mo daw si Calix season. Good luck, Mentos. Thank you, Toshi. Yui at Facebook. Huh? Okay, bukas sila, please. No, I feel insecure. I feel so insecure. Thank you, RNZ underscore MDZ 27. 27 is 3 times 9. And saan pa divisible yung 27, guys? 1 times 27. Wala na ako. Guys, can you give me a random number? Tapos I'll say kung saan siya divisible. You're like 1,000 ahead, like sa pageant mo. I don't think so. I feel like, lang siya. I think lesser yung gap. So please do heart it. Share nyo, guys. Favorite flowers ko ay tulips. Pag tumibok ang puso. 54. 54 is 6 times 9. And wait lang. 18 times 3. Can you guys calculate if 18 times 3 is 54? Plus 54 is also 27 times 2. What else? I've run out of na. Tapos ba't di mo nire-repost mga ati ko sa'yo? Hala, baka you don't, tag me. Ang dami, so matulog ka na lang. Bilis mag-isip, mayroon ka pala sa math. Thank you. Pa-shoutout, Lods. Shoutout po kay Aaron Mostales. Sorry. Stop calling me Lucy. I'm Mentos, guys. Wait lang. Give me more numbers. I'm so bored. I legit have nothing to do. Wait. I actually do have a lot of things to do. I'm still yet to finish 3 books. I also have... I'm also practicing the guitar. Tapos... Ano po ginagawa? I think yun lang. Favorite topic ko sa math? Feeling ko wala. I don't think I have a favorite topic sa math. Kasi last topic namin sa math, last actual topic namin sa math was permutations and combinations. Ay, hindi. Favorite topic ko sa math is algebra. Pero algebra tends to be hard. Hi, man. Tapos ayaw na mag-reply ng honey bunch ko na mama sa'yo. Buti nga. Joke lang, guys. Mag-reply kayo sa shota na, guys. Do you read manhwas? Yeah, I do read manhwas. Lalo na yung mga, kunyari, ano ba yan? Oh, shit. Kunyari, reincarnation of the deadly hero. Ganon. I read a lot of those. Permutations and combinations is easy. Yeah, it is, pero I feel like that's why I hate it. There's nothing in 57 times 6 in your head, calculated. Okay, 57 times 6. Wait lang, guys, napapressure ako. Wait lang, can I write sa air or not? Or does it have to be purely mental? While you read those, that's what I'm expecting. Yeah. Kasi 6 times 50 is 300, and 7 times 6 is 42. So 342. Wait lang, where's my cell phone? Ay, gamit. Nagla-live pala ako. 57 times 6. Sagot ko ay 342 times 6. Oh my god, guys. Tama ako. Ang galing ko, guys. I already love you for that. Thank you. Hi, Megan. Guys, come on. Give me more numbers. Open ko na yung legs. Sino? Report na lang. Sim Toshi. Go, Toshi. Go, anak. So proud of you, my anak. Try 73. What do you mean 73? Kung saan siya divisible. I think 73 is hard. Wait lang, ano ulit yung tawag sa sa numbers na yan Yan, ganda mo dyan pag may ilaw. Binabola niyo lang ako eh. Ano favorite numbers ko? Favorite number ko is number 7. Pero, number 7 is like an exception kasi I don't like odd numbers. I only like even numbers. Do you wanna know why? Siyempre hindi. Pero sasabihin ko pa din. Kasi, kunyari, there's 6 people sa isang group. Tapos, you divide them. And how do I explain this? Basically, if it's an even number, tapos, ano siya, mga group of people, no one gets left out. Like, lahat sila, may kasamang isa. Kasi it's divisible by whatever, you get it. Kasi, pag odd number, mayroong isang matitira na wala siyang kasama. So, magiging lonely siya. I like number 7 kasi if you add up January 6, it equals to 7. Tapos I'm also born in 2007. Thank you for asking good questions, guys. I love you. Giving examples, huh? 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 Why do you like saying huh? That's so weird. Huh? Asan yung yung mustache na filter? The Rock. Sino ulit nagsasabi sa'yo ng idol? Oo na lang. I love you too, Thea MR. Excuse me. Huh? 2009 eh. Pero alam nyo, it feels illegal to say na 07 liner ako kasi I'm barely 07. Will the pageant be live? Yeah, you can watch. You can watch live. Hi, Yajun. Oh my God, Yajun. Long time no talk. I mean, we just had a conversation. Pero, hello, Adrian. Hala, ba't yun ako yung 10 years na, no? Cause they see right through. Can you? The one? Wait lang. 08. Ala, baby ka ba? OMG, finally nakaabot na sa'yo. I'm ending the live in 3 minutes. You're so funny, I like ya. You're supposed to spell your with an E sa dulo. Whoa, that's creepy. Whoa, that's creepy. Stop calling me Lucy. Hi, Mika! What's your favorite anime? I have a lot of favorite animes. Wait lang, let me see. What happened to your fingers? What do you mean? 06, pasado ba sa'yo? Oo na lang, guys. I like Buffery. Bunga Stray Dogs is my current favorite. Tapos, mahilig ako sa mga nai-isekai. Shout out po kay Eliazar Coronel. Cat lover or dog lover? I love both, pero I lean more sa cats. I'm so sorry. If not, Lucy, can I call you mine instead? Alam nyo, sorry. You can call me mine, kasi it sounds goofy. Like, hello, mine. Yeah. I've always thought about it and it feels weird. Hello, mine. Yeah, you can call me mine. Just call me Lucy na lang, I guess. No, call me Mentos. Jobless Reincarnation. I dropped the Jobless Reincarnation because I didn't like the main character. Cause they see right through me, they see. Ha 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 ha. Hi, Mikey. Shout out. Fab music mo. Gusto ko ako lang gusto. Gusto ko ako lang ang gusto mo. I shared your pic sa Facebook yung pinapahart mo. Thank you, .ercxx. What was the best movie you watched? Wait lang. I don't watch a lot of movies, pero The Notebook is good. Wait lang. Kasi yung Miss Peregrine's something. Nagvavalo ka po ba? No, I don't play Valorant. Backstory of the Elementals, it's in my vlog, guys. It's in my vlog. Chinito for the win. Sim. Bro doesn't accept any flirting. Sim. I have to stop doing 2 joints. Hi, Bugsy. To see others. My God! Stop calling me that! I'm gonna fucking block you. Joke lang. Joke lang, guys. How old are you na po? I'm 16. I'm just 16. Hey. I'm just 16. Hi, Turbel. Last time I checked, I'm 5'2". Plus 1, which makes me 6'2". Tapos sa bus clearing nyo, yes. Why your TikTok and IG was Mentos? Secret. Baka malaman nyo. When is the pageant? You don't know when the pageant is, when it's the pageant. Do you like Mentos? Belgian waffles your ass. Idol lang dapat tag sa kanya. I'm literally 5'10". I can't believe you're not accepting me. What do you mean? Height? Question mark, question mark, question mark, question. Height? Question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. But sobrang many question mark. Favorite subject? Question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. Gusto ako lang gusto. Guys, I'm 5'2". Plus 7. That makes me 9'2". Do you like black candy, Mentos? I actually don't like Mentos. 5'10"? Question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. Mentos, payag ka. 9 ang buhay mo, pero may tani. Ano ba yan? May tani lang. Mentos, pinafollow back mo din ba yung mga editor mo? Sim. Yeah, I follow my editor so I get updated whenever they post. Kung Mentos ka sana, binili na lang kita sa tindahan. Sorry! I'm so in demand. The hottest commodity ever. You're so tall. I know, right? It's such a huge hassle to be so tall. Like, no one just understands me. Baka naman FB Mentos. Friend? Best friend? Facebook? Imagine not liking Mentos when your nickname is Mentos. Yet. Eh, question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. Favorite song mo, Mentos? I like Taylor Swift songs, guys. Ako kaya mafe-follow back ni Idol? Hindi. I'm canceling you for that. Sorry, punta ka ng Iloilo. Iloilo is so layo. Fan ka ba ng Wave to Earth? Question mark, question mark. I don't think I've listened to Wave to Earth. Singers, artist ba? Ang Wave to Earth? Cute kang boses mo. Oh, thank you. Cute kasi ako eh. Ayoko na. E-dudes. You're welcome for the shoutout, my bro. Active ka pa. My God. I'm gonna fucking remove you from my life. You're getting annoying na. I didn't get it. Which one? You like worship song? I'm agnostic. Do you know Twice? Yes. I used to stand Twice. Tapos, ano ba? Sino ba bias ko dun? Yeah, I was into Nayan. Taga Lasal ka po. I don't go to Lasal. Luzol. Lasal. Thank you, Yuri, not there. Current song. Do you mean current favorite song of Taylor Swift? I like, wait lang, ano ba recently listen ko na song? Kaka-listen ko lang sa August, pero I like The Archer.
Ay, yun na pa.
Stacy Right
Babasa
True.
pa yan.
Banks. Kaya na lang magbilang, kaya nyo na yun,
Hindi
malaman
na.
kayo. agnostic. Ganda po ng smile mo. Thank you. Maganda po kasi ako eh. Ayoko na. Guys, may pinapanood akong anime. Saan ba yun? Saan na yun? Ito pinapanood ko mga anime guys. Makinig kayo please. Hell's Paradise, it's on Netflix. Marshall, ano siya? Overpowered siya. Pero, magic yung world niya. Pero siya, wala siyang magic. Tapos sobrang overpowered niya. Kasi sobrang dami niyang muscles. Like, his physical strength is like level 1,000. Tapos, Yamada-kun to level 999 ng Wosuru. Yamada-kun. Oh my god, ang pag-win ni Yamada-kun. Crush na crush ko siya. Tapos, Oshinoko. Oshinoko is also good. Like, hindi siya yung generic na idol anime. Like, there's so much good. Tapos, hala, hindi ko nalagay yung isa. Ay, ito. I got a cheat skill in another world and became unrivaled in the real world. What's OPM? Anong grade ka na? Pasagot. Ba't mo ako inuutusan? I'm in grade 10. Tapos na school year ko, so basically, I'm in coming grade 11. Good luck, John Kagi. Ano nilalaro mo yung online games? I don't play any. Ala, I'm gonna end the live na pala. Bye guys! Thank you for watching. Hindi ko napansin yung oras. Bye guys! Bye guys! Bye guys!